What we have is a HP laptop. What's the model number? It's a model 17. The screen's bad in it. Got shut with a mouse on top of it. So what we have to do first is take this outside ring off. How I already got it started. It's got a bunch of little clips here. What I did is I rotated it this way so I could get my hand up in here like this right here, and then they just come right out. There's several of them that just pop all the way around. Now what we ran into is down here where the hinge is, this piece is like a U and it has to come out. So how you get that out is you close it. I got a little flat tip, small one, and work it in here and it just pops. It pops out just like that. Several little clips all the way down. If you take your time, just won't be no big deal. They're all rounded. Set that to the side. Now we're going to open it back up. There's a piece of tape, double-sided tape back here, so when you go to pull that off, just be careful with it. Don't bend this right here too much, you'll break it. And this right here comes off, just like that. Now you have 4 Phillips head screws, here, 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 and here. Screen's going to come forward and just lay it down on top. There is another piece of tape right there. I'll zoom in. Oops, I don't know if I can zoom in. There we go. Right there. It's fairly sticky, so just take your time pulling it up. What I'm doing is I'm working the cable out so I can handle it. Pull the tape out, boom, it just pops out. It's just a little ribbon cable. So we're going to set it right there, set it right back over here. Now the screen is free. That's it. There's the bad screen. We bought our screen from laptopscreens.com. Here is the new one. It's got a protective cover on it. I'm not taking that off yet. Here's where the ribbon cable goes. It does not come with that double-sided tape right here. Let's everything. The bolt holes match up. So I'm going to lay it right down here. Hopefully we can see okay. I'll pull my tape back. Well, this little connection should just pop right in. There it is. 2 pops or clicks. I'm going to push this over. Now I'm going to take this back over here. My cable back in there. I'm going to zoom back out. Whoops. Zoom back up in here. It's going to be 4 little mounts that these little flanges are going to go over here, 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 and 2 at the top. Let me move it over. There's going to be 1 up here. It'll just fit right up in there. I'll get a screw, put it in there just to hold it on. Here's the 4th one right there. So now what we're going to do is turn it on. Looks like it's coming up. There it is. Yep, there's the new screen. And she likes Taylor. Alrighty, so I'm going to shut it back down. And then put the screws in and put it back together in reverse order. This piece right here on the back hinge is going to be the last that goes in. Find it's easier popping these in if you push on the outside edge of the ring and not the inside. And it's just popping right back in. So close it. And then here is this back piece. These clips go in on the top, so to speak, of this way. No, pushed on the wrong side. Just right there at the top. There we go. There's our new screen. Again, we got our screen at laptopscreens.com. I believe they're out of Canada. Shipping was just a few days. No big deal. It was relatively inexpensive compared to the other ones. We're happy with it, and it's working out. Thank you.